welcome to the VideoPath Builder walkthrough. VideoPath is an interactive player that connects web to video in a structured way. Let's start by creating a project. Free accounts can enter the URL of the video from YouTube that you'd like to import. Upgraded accounts can also upload a file, use custom hosting, or import videos from Vimeo, Wistia, or Brightcove. I'm going to upload a file from YouTube. Just copy and paste the URL into the window. The import is now complete and ready for editing. We're now in the editing mode of the VideoPath Builder. Now I'll walk you through creating your own marker and overlay. Drag the orange marker to where you'd like an extra content layer in your video. When your overlay is opened, add your title and, if you'd like, an exact time code. You can always change the marker's position on the timeline later. Now, choose what type of content you'd like on the overlay and click or drag it in. I'm going to put in a text block first. You can add more than one content block. I'll drag in an image block next. Drop your image in from your desktop. You can always preview your overlay by clicking the Preview button. Return to editing mode by clicking the Edit button. Great, you've finished your first marker. Close the overlay by clicking Save. Now let's add a marker with a video and a call to action button. Click or drag the media icon into the overlay. Here, you can add content from YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram, SoundCloud, or Pinterest. Plug in the URL and click Submit. You now have an embedded video on your player. For the call to action button, simply click or drag the call to action block onto the overlay. Add a title to your button and the URL it will link to. Let's try adding a marker with a whole website embedded. Drag the website content block into the overlay. Copy and paste your website URL into the text field and press Submit. You'll notice that the website takes the entire overlay. Other content blocks can be added to overlays that contain a website. Let's add another marker with a social feed. Drag the social feed content block into the overlay. Input your social stream here. You can add a Twitter feed, your Facebook page, or a Pinterest board. Similar to adding a website, adding a social stream takes the entire overlay, so other content blocks can't be added. You can add up to 10 markers to your video, but we suggest 5 to 7 for the best results. Once you've finished adding your markers, personalize your video by using the toolbar on the right. Select your custom thumbnail, and if you have an upgraded account, you can change the color of your timeline to suit your video's palette, customize your end screen, and upload a custom icon for the player. You can always click the Preview button while you're editing to check how your video looks. When you're ready, click the Publish button. Pressing Publish saves your project in your library, but won't automatically share your project. When you're ready to share your video with the world, you can embed your video on your website or blog, share it on social networks, or send it by email. And there you have it. Enjoy VideoPath, and please feel free to get in touch with our support team with any questions or feedback.